Time can be expressed in three ways in Greek. We can point to a particular point in time. Right? We can say, hey, this is happening on the third day. We would say this in English, right? At 3 o'clock or on the 4th of March. And then we can have a duration or extent of time. Right, I'm staying for 4 days. It's going to take me 3 hours to do this. And then there is the time within which something will happen. Right. When are you going to get it done? I'll get it done in 5 days. I'm not saying that it's going to take me 5 days. I'm just going to say within the span of 5 days that it will be done. How long is it going to take you to run it? Oh, I'll run it within 4 hours, right? It may take me 1 hour. It may take me 2 hours. It may take me 3.5 hours. But I know that it'll be done by that 4th hour. So there's time within which. So in Greek, there are these three ways of expressing this, and each of these is going to be in a different case without the preposition. We don't need a preposition in Greek to express time. So when you see a number word and a time expression, you know you're dealing in some kind of time expression. And time expression, I mean year, day, hour, month, whatever it might be. So first we have the accusative of duration of time, and I'm going to work backwards in terms of the cases you know, but sort of from most useful to least used. So duration of time, accusative of duration of time, meno pente emeras. I am staying 5 days. So here's our time expression, here's our number, 5. Here's our time expression, for 5 days. I'm staying for 5 days. Or ebazelusen hen hetos. He was king for 1 year. Etos, remember, is neuter, so we're using hen. There's our number. There's our accusative time expression for 1 year. So accusative duration of time, for is usually the preposition that we're going to insert in English for X time, whatever it might be. So the accusative of duration of time. The dative is used to express that point in time, right? And this is very similar to our accusative of, or our dative of place where. The difference here is there's no preposition. So to proto ete, uk epon. In the first year, there's our time, and these are oftentimes going to be things like ordinal numbers, right? So first, second, third. So in the first year, there's our time expression. Uk epon, I didn't speak. Or te aute hemera, kuros effugen. Time te aute hemera, there's our, this isn't necessarily a number, but the same day, there's our time expression. On the same day, Cyrus fled. So time when, we're going to use in or on in English. And then finally we have the genitive of time within which. Remember, this is the span within which a action is going to happen. So porusomatha deca hemeron. We will march. There's our number. There's our time expression. Within 10 days. Or to kemonos, haineas u plusum. There's our time expression. Notice there's no number there though, but it's a time expression. During winter. So we can have a season be a time within which, and we'll use the genitive. So during or within X. So the thing to remember is when you're talking about time, when you're having one of these expressions, you're not going to see a preposition. So remember, no preposition. And then you've got accusative extent, you've got dative of time when, and you've got genitive of time within which.